Hello students, parents, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our virtual school tour of Sekolah Budi Utama, Junior and Senior High School. I am Mr. Aaron Stephanie, the native English-speaking teacher in the English Language Department and your guide for this tour. We are here on Jalan Wijaya Kusuma, and on your left is campus number 1, where the primary school and facilities are located, and on your right is campus number 3, where we have the junior and senior high school. We begin our tour of the school in the basement. That serves as a parking lot for staff and students. On this level, we also have an outdoor basketball court and a functional kitchen. On the first floor, we are greeted by our indoor basketball court, administrative office, and teacher's lounge. We also have our canteen here, along with a meeting room and sick bays should students and or staff become ill. In addition, we have our school library, where you will find books for your reading pleasure and research, as well as desktop computers and workstations for our students and our staff. Adjoining the library is our multi-purpose audiovisual room used for classes, meetings, etc. Moving up to the second floor, here is one of our many classrooms where learning takes place. Such classrooms are located on each floor of the school, and each classroom is equipped with an overhead projector and necessary desks and chairs. On this floor, we also have the physics laboratory. It is in the laboratory that physics students learn to practice the activities of scientists, asking questions, performing procedures, collecting data, analyzing data, answering questions, and thinking of new questions to explore. We also have the chemistry laboratory, which allows students to master specific lab techniques and deepen their understanding of chemical synthesis, analysis, and problem solving, technical scientific writing and record keeping, professional written and oral communication, modern biochemistry and molecular biology techniques, among other things that they will learn there. In addition, we have the biology laboratory. Here, students examine organisms under microscopes and dye cells to get a better look at their structure. Students must describe what they observe in written reports. Students may also study and dissect plants, insects, and small animals. We will now move up to the third floor. Here, we have the language laboratory, a very helpful tool for practicing and assessing one's speech in any language. It provides a facility which allows the student to listen, to model pronunciation, repeat and record the same, listen to their performance and compare with the model, and do self-assessment. At Budi Utama, we are a 3 languages school: Indonesian, Mandarin, and English. Students are also introduced to Javanese. Teachers and students use computers with the Language Lab software for conducting language learning exercises and activities, and headsets with microphone to communicate and conduct language learning exercises and activities. On this floor, we also have the computer laboratory, which serves as the center for teaching computer use to whole classes by our specialist computer teachers. Classroom teachers also use the lab with their classes for research or for creating technology-based projects. Now we will move up to our rooftop. Here we have our garden for students not only from the junior and senior high schools, but primary school students also do gardening here. The school garden is a great way to get children to learn about nutrition and make the connection between growing food and good diet. Develop life skills, for example, gardening and cooking, and increase environmental awareness for teachers and students, and hopefully for parents as well. To conclude our tour, let me tell you about our excellent music room, which is found on campus number 1. Here, you will find many instruments where students come to learn music and to record music. There are instruments such as Kulintang Ensemble, Gamelan Ensemble, there is an Angklung Orchestra, we have a band ensemble, we have piano and keyboards, and many other instruments. We hope that this virtual tour gives you a very good picture of what Budi Utama offers for all students so that they can progress in their lives as learning takes place. Thank you very much.